Infinity Ahzee, taking action to develop the students.
Hello? Opening the door. It's me. This is Toba. Okay, I'm waiting for you.
Oh, you! What a surprise! Nice to meet you, friends.
Nice to meet you too.
Please get inside.
Thank you.
Long time no see.
Yeah.
Please have your seat.
Thanks for this honor.
It's okay. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. And you?
I'm also fine. How's your father, mother, and little sister?
They're also fine.
How's your grandpa, grandma?
They're fine.
How's your life?
Often busy.
Would you like have a cup of tea?
No, thanks. Just sit by me.
Thanks for this honor.